How to change AT&T router to 2.4 gigahertz band. Now, this process or method is very easy and quick. All you have to do at first is to go and look at the back of your physical router. Now, at the back of your physical router, you should be able to see a lot of information such as your serial number, the wireless network key of the physical router, and as well as the device access code. Then at the back, what you need is the device access code information below, which will say for advanced configuration, there's a specific link in there that has your physical router IP address. Now I'm going to be showing you the best example. So for example, right here, this is going to be the back of your physical router. What you need from here is of course the IP address and as well as information of the username and password of the admin. Now, copy this specific IP address at the back of your physical router and then just simply type it in on a working browser on your end. Once you key that in, you will automatically be redirected into the AT&T Wi-Fi controller feature. Now just click on Home and then log in using the username and password that was indicated at the back of your physical router. Next is to go all the way into Wi-Fi option under settings, and then there's two specific option where you can look for the 2.4 gigahertz. So there's two things. The first option that you can see is the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi configuration and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi configuration. And then on the other hand, you should see 2.4 gigahertz main SSID and 2.4 gigahertz guest SSID. Now you just have to turn on the Wi-Fi operation of 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi configuration and make sure that the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi configuration is turned off so that the 2.4 gigahertz band Wi-Fi configuration will be on the top priority. Hit on apply and you're good to go. And that's basically it. That's how you change AT&T router to 2.4 gigahertz.